First, the news headlines. Senior BJP leader La Ganesan sworn in as 17th Manipur governor. MP Jairam Ramesh arrives in Imphal to get down to business. Kabul airport attack kills at least 13 US troops and 90 Afghans. And Hunger Marchers Day observed, homage paid to student martyrs. Good evening and welcome to PONYTV. This is RIMAI giving you the news in detail. Governor-designate La Ganesan was today sworn in as the 17th Manipur governor at the Raj Bhavan in Imphal. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh attended the swearing-in ceremony of the governor along with his cabinet colleagues, MLAs and state government officials. Attended the swearing-in ceremony of Honorable Governor Sri La Ganesan at Raj Bhavan, Imphal. Known for his patriotism, honesty, simplicity, and excellent oratory, Manipur is privileged to have Sri La Ganesan as the 17th Governor of Manipur, Chief Minister said in a tweet. Ganesan was appointed as the new Governor of Manipur by President Ram Nath Kovind on August 22 last, succeeding the interim Governor of Manipur, Ganga Prasad. La Ganesan is a senior BJP leader, presently serving as the party's National Council member and a former Rajya Sabha MP. MP Jairam Ramesh, election observer of Manipur, along with the Ranajit Mukherjee, former AICC Secretary Research Department, arrived in Imphal today. Bhakta Charan Das, in charge Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC President, and Loken Singh, MLA K. Meghachandra, VP MPCC, Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, former Minister and VP MPCC Party Office Bearers, Sarifa Raman, Secretary IYC, Chiefs of Frontals, Sales Departments, and party leaders received the two leaders at Imphal Airport. Manipur goes to polls in early part of 2022. Mainstream political parties have started getting down to business for the upcoming state assembly polls. Parties in Manipur have set in motion the process of electoral campaigning strategy, plunging into preparation. More than 100 people were killed, including at least 13 US service members and 90 Afghans at the Kabul airport on Thursday when two blasts ripped through crowds trying to enter the American-controlled facility, disrupting the final push of the US-led evacuation. A suicide bomb attack at the airport's Abbey Gate was followed by an assault by gunmen, officials said. Another bomb attack took place nearby at a hotel outside the airport, officials said. 18 US service members were injured, the Pentagon said. The attack marked the deadliest day for the US military in Afghanistan since 2011 and came just 5 days before the Biden administration's deadline for the complete military withdrawal from the country. The military expects more attacks, Marine Corps General Frank McKenzie told reporters. President Biden on Thursday evening said he was heartbroken by the violence and vowed to retaliate for the attacks while promising to continue evacuation efforts. "We will hunt you down and make you pay," Mr. Biden said in remarks at the White House. He said he had instructed his national security advisors to develop response plans to the attack. The 56th Hunger Marchers Day was observed today at the residence of Oinam Roman Singh, intending to contest the upcoming state assembly polls from Singjamei Assembly constituency. Roman Singh led the participants in paying floral tributes to the portraits of 4 student martyrs who laid down their lives for the sake of the people of the state. Speaking on the occasion, Roman Singh recounted that the people of Manipur protested against the then government over an artificial famine-like situation arising out of rice mismanagement. In view of the current artificial scarcity of fertilizers in the state, the observance is relevant, he added. The function was held with strict adherence to COVID-19 protocols. The All Manipur Students' Union, AMSU, also observed the 56th anniversary of Hunger Marchers Day, popularly known as Chaklam Kongchert in Imphal today. On the occasion, homage was paid to student martyrs. A state-level weekly press briefing on COVID-19 pandemic was held today at the premises of State Ophthalmic Cell, Directorate of Health, Lamphilpot. Additional directors, State Mission Director, Joint Directors, Deputy Directors, Administrative Officer, Chief Finance Officer, team leaders of COVID-19 and representatives from WHO and UNICEF were part of the press briefing given by Dr. K. Rajo Singh, Director, Directorate of Health Services, Manipur.
Main the home isolation sector, the Mama Mapana, Yamaga, Adam Kabibaya, Adam Karimba, Muna, doctors, teleconsultation, Eastern Haribasna, Sibuda, teleconsultation, Adam Tovia, Adubam. Mildly, Milo Lapia, executive Malapia, Malapusita, Mandila, Padeno. Hai basida mai nasagi koi manamatin soraba adagi local kuraba machine matang sida mogi kharkar hore ena dai aduna oxygen saturation city koi 94% matak adum dai mai stega kharkar hore kaje masi jo koi margagi yum da thambiya ko kharkar hore kaje yum da thambiya aduga data ena mama mapana teleconsultation specialist doctor telephone number number home isolation number.
The Manipur High Court, in an interim order, directed the state government not to deny the supply of food grains to beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana (PMGKAY) to those who are yet to be vaccinated. A division bench of Chief Justice Sanjay Kumar and Justice Lannu Sungkum Jamir said intermediary measures could not be adopted for the purpose of vaccination, and more so when the same involved supply of food grains. The bench added that it was for the state government to suitably educate and inform people so that they voluntarily come forward to take the vaccination. The bench passed the order on a petition filed by one Thangjam Santa Singh through advocate Akam Romila. Appearing for the petitioner, senior advocate Jaina Kothari submitted in the High Court that, as per the public declaration made by the people's representative from Kurai Assembly constituency, PMGKAY food grains would not be supplied to those who have not been vaccinated. She contended this denial of essential food grains on this basis would be violative of the fundamental rights of those who are yet to get vaccinated, be it for whatever reason. Finding merit in the argument, the High Court restrained the state government from denying food grains to those who are not vaccinated. Last month, the Manipur High Court said the state government could not impose conditions on citizens to compel them to get vaccinated, be it by holding out a threat or putting them at a disadvantage for failing to get vaccinated. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more updates after the break.
Noi lebede gari ahan maga tongmo ngamdra bane khura laga tongne khani ba namai doi kai dro senbun puthoga leibedi ngamdra senbun puthokna leiba ngamdra su imphal phelas ta salo ai ju ahan ba lei ngamdra imphal phelas ta ge loan oine lori
imphal finance na longbu manung gari loan lobu ya tong cha pizeri adom na pam mo khali gari kudingma lobu be ya.
Welcome back after the break. A cash reward of Rs 50,000 will be given to any individual who provides information leading to the arrest of Vanlal Mawi, alias MT Haulai, a fugitive son of late Tangsang of Van Nuam South, New Lamka. A case was registered on January 12, 2021 at Churachandpur police station following an unknown person was found dead inside the residence of Vanlal Mawi, the police said. He is highly involved in the case and still evading arrest. Identity of the informant will be kept secret, said a press note issued by Shivanand Sarth, Superintendent of Police, Churachandpur. Dr. Furailatpam Jilasana Sharma, a member of State Executive Committee of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur Pradesh, was elected as Working Chairman of Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA for a period of 3 years. He was elected with immediate effect during a general body meeting at the office of MDA on 20th of August, say the press release from KH Khagendra Singh, co-convener MDA. The proscribed Kolkom has paid revolutionary salute to freedom fighter Haipo Jadonang on his 90th death anniversary. Jadonang was a leader of RIMAI community who fought against the British. He sacrificed his life for the motherland during the early part of 20th century. Kolkom in a statement remembers his bravery and love for his motherland. Haipo Jadonang was born at Puilon, Gambiron Khul in Tamenglong in 1905 in Malangmai family of RIMAI. The Shillong Manipuri Students' Union SMSU has expressed happiness and appreciation over the Manipur government decision for construction of Manipur Bhavan House at Laitum Kra in Shillong on a plot known as Redland measuring 1.93 acre. It is a long-standing demand of Shillong Manipuri Students' Union and Shillong-based Manipur community organizations, as per a release. The union congratulated all the Shillong-based student union members, particularly executive body members of the past and present, and community leaders who relentlessly worked toward the restoration and preservation of historical significance of the Manipur House Redland ever since the union was formed on 24th of August 1976. The union further raised some demands to the Chief Minister of Manipur, like conveying historical sanctity and official dignity of people of Manipur at the proposed Manipur House and to preserve and maintain the structure as a historical important structure. The building must have a museum to disseminate the historical facts and events it demanded. Security forces arrested a Pripak Ultra during counter-insurgency operation in Kiamgai area of Imphal East. The arrested Mayang Lambam Janafa Meitei Babu, aged 20 years, son of M. Ibotomba Meitei, is a resident of Urup Makalekai, Punal Ningto, Laibung in Imphal East, as per a police report. The report said that following a tip-off, a combined team of Imphal East commandos, along with a column of 16 Assam rifles, rushed to Kiamgai area and conducted checking of suspected passers-by, during which the Pripak member was arrested. He joined the outfit through one number of Pripak in the year 2020 and presently working under the command of one Thongamba Toiba of Pripak. The detainee stated that today he was trying to hand over monetary demand letters of Pripak to one unknown person waiting for him at Kiamgai Kongnangkong near Premier English Academy on the instruction of Thongamba Toiba of Pripak. 2 demand letters of the outfit duly signed by one Aheba Angom, self-styled finance secretary of Pripak, and 1 mobile phone were seized from his possession by observing due formalities at 1:20 p.m., the police said. The arrested is being handed over to Irbun Police Station for taking up further necessary legal action. The Zaliangrong United Front (ZUF) has appealed to the people to pay homage to Haipo Jadonang on Martyrs' Day, which falls on August 29. The Zaliangrong United Front in a statement further said that Haipo Jadonang, who launched the campaign with the message Makam Guang Tapuni, meaning our people shall reign in the kingdom, against the British government, was hanged on August 29, 1931 for waging a war against the British Crown at Imphal jail. The front appealed to all, especially the Zaliangrong people, to put up homage candles lighting or traditional torches in the evening of 90th martyrdom observation of Haipo Jadonang on August 29. It also appealed to all Zaliangrong villagers to close down the gates and that all government and private institutions should remain closed to this day, on this day, to show love and respect to the departed leader who sacrificed his life on the altar of freedom. The ZUF also appealed to all local clubs and organizations to organize games and sport activities in a befitting manner on this day and to let the slogan Zaliangrong Rintelo echo from every gathering at the end of the day. The work agencies of the 14th Finance Commission of 2017-2018 of Tamenglong Autonomous District Council, TADC, has strongly condemned the then Chief Executive Officer, CEO, MCS now IAS, D. Gangmei, and the Chairman of Tamenglong Autonomous District Council, Namsin Ray Panmei, for allegedly cheating and blindfolding the work agency's beneficiaries. The embezzlement and misappropriation of the said fund without the knowledge of the work agency's beneficiaries is a blatant lies before the public in the eye of the law. Such corrupt officials of the TADC, including the chairman and the then CEO, shall be brought to book and punished according to the law of the land. The public have lost trust in such public servants. It is the duty of the concerned authority to take an exemplary appropriate action against those corrupt officials so as to prevent further misleading and gross misappropriation of the fund in the district, TADC said in a release. A devastating fire followed by a series of explosions at a military facility in Taraz in Kazakhstan has left at least 60 people wounded. At approximately 1900 hours, a fire broke out near a warehouse of a military unit stationed in the Jambil region's Bayzak district. As a result of the fire, unidentified objects exploded, the Kazakh Defense Ministry said in a statement. 60 people have been hospitalized with injuries from the blasts, media reports said. Kazakhstan President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev said that at least 30 of the wounded were military servicemen or emergency workers, and the incident was being investigated. Traffic and railway authorities say that there were closing off a road and a railroad passing through the area. Meanwhile, the Kazakh Defense Ministry also sent a commission headed by Deputy Defense Minister Ruslan Shpekvev to the scene. Kazakhstan has evacuated settlements located next to a military facility in its southern Jambil province. Before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. That is the end of the bulletin for the news at 6. Stay tuned to PONYTV for more updates.